Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Day 2 of English speaking. First of all, we start from the short conversation practice. In short conversation practice, I asking a question to you and I reply as well from your side. You must be answer like this one. First question I asking good morning and you must be reply as good morning, how are you? And my turn, I'm fine, thank you. And yourself, now your turn. And you reply like this one, I'm good too. And now my turn, what is your name? And you will be reply like this one, my name is Tom or whatever is your name. Now my turn, nice to meet you. And you will be replied like this one, nice to meet you too. This is short conversation practice. You can practice these simple conversation with your friend. On second day of English speaking, you practice these questions with your friend. When you try to asking these questions, this build a fluency in your English speaking. For example, what is your name? And your friend will be answering like that, my name is Cedric or whatever his name. Second question you can ask, where do you live? And your friend answering, I live in London, if he live in London or whatever city he live. And third question you can ask, what do you do? And your friend can be answer, I'm a student, if he is student. If he working, I'm a worker. And next question you can ask, how old are you? And your friend will be answer, I'm 25-year-old or 27-year-old, whatever his age. Next question you can ask, do you like music? And he can answer, yes, I like music. So practice these simple questions with your friend and this build a fluency in your speaking. And next step of second day of English speaking, you practice about your day. Whatever you done from morning to evening, what was your routine? You can explain that one in your word. For example, I woke up at 7 a.m. in morning. I brush my teeth, then I have breakfast, then I go to work, and whatever you done in all day, you can add all activity and try to practice your daily routine in English speaking. And next step of second day of English speaking, you can remember these English phrases. These help you to build fluency. For example, I don't know. I like it. It's okay. What happened? Like this, you can add these simple phrases to build fluency. On second day of English speaking, you have add new word to your vocabulary. You add 5 new words to your vocabulary and you try to use them in sentence in English conversation. Or you can ask 10 questions to you and answer by yourself according to the question. You have to practice these two things on second day of English speaking. Hopefully this lesson is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel as well.